No intention to ban.
I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Hey, hey, hey.
De vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones.
Hey,
Hey, de vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones.
hey, hey. I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Hey.
Día es de fiesta, de alcohol María en la dieta. Tengo estamina como atleta. Esto es un party de John Z. Todo el mundo anda ruleta. Echa las maletas porque mañana cojo un avión pa' la puñeta. Dame de esos rositas en la receta. Una moñita de esa capeta. Hey, de vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones.
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day.
Illuminate my future bright, so thankful for everything. Rejuvenating my inner light as I work hard for all I need. Open arms, embracing life and all of which you gave to me. Hard work, it pays off, I'm happy now, it's paying me. Close my eyes sometimes and feel as if I float away. I love the life I live and enjoy the ride along the way. I'll make a living out of living, yeah, that's what I say. I got one life to live and I wouldn't live in no other way.
De vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones.
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Everybody sour like a lemon tree. I'm just smiling down upon my enemies. Do the shit and love it on a daily. You say you hate your job, but you'll never leave, never leave. That ain't gonna be me, that ain't gonna be me. My brother called me up, said he saw me on TV. I said it wasn't easy, but right now I'm living breezy. Build this engine from the ground up, now my hands, they ain't so greasy, feel me? Daily, daily, get to do the shit I love up on a daily. Every single day, cause I love my occupation.
De vacaciones,
You don't like your license, you should go and change it.
de vacaciones cogemos el Miami, villas y mansiones. Mujeres bien borrachas cantando todas las canciones. Ponche de alcohol, bien lleno los jarrones.
Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Hey, GM, everybody, and welcome. Where's the camera at? Camera is always. Oh, there you are. Come this way. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to this, your daily dose of Web3 Morning Motivation. We're coming live on Facebook. We're coming live on YouTube. We're coming live on Kick.com on our latest edition. LinkedIn, so no matter how you are receiving this message, welcome to the space that aims to entertain you, motivate you, and educate you every single morning in just 20 to 25 minutes. As you come in, please make sure that you hit that like button, the subscribe button, the bell button, the notifications button. I mean, all the buttons. Because that's how you tell the algorithm that this is the content that you're gonna push up some people's timeline. Because this is the content that brings the vibes, the mojo, and all the energy that you need to get your day started. Welcome back. This is your host, Degen. Now, don't forget that we got some cool stuff lined up for all of you. Our Degen wallet and Degen Reply AI tool are all set and just waiting for you to take them out for a spin. If you're keen of joining our beta test army and getting access to these cutting-edge technologies, simply follow the OpenSea link that is in my bio. From the outset, our vision has been to empower our community with unmatched financial freedom. We began by distributing Mula tokens, ensuring each member of our tribe felt the momentum, but then we elevated our mission with our Degen wallet. Yes, this is not just a wallet, this is your bank, your crypto, your freedom. More than just a wallet, it's the pinnacle of a Web3 bank, guys, revolutionizing decentralized finance. Where's my beautiful apes are? Look at that. Look at those beautiful apes right there. Because we're revolutionizing decentralized finance, Web3, and NFT management. Embrace the transformative banking experience where you command absolute control over your digital assets. Enjoy seamless token swaps and intuitively curate your NFT collection. But we didn't stop there. No. We also opened the doors to our advanced AI tool, the Degen Reply. This tool adds buttons to Twitter, or X, formerly known as Twitter, for easy replies using spin tags and AI-generated responses, enhancing your social media experience. Why? Because we are all about empowering our beta test army with the best of the best. So join us and experience the future of blockchain at lightning speed with our Degen wallet, and enhance your social media experience with your Degen Reply, because our mission is to bring cutting-edge technology to the masses, creating a world where everyone can thrive in a safe and secure digital environment. And now I just wanted to let you all know that I just started testing a new trading AI yesterday. Yes, new trading AI. AI is hot right now, but finally we're starting to see the AIs that are capable of trading based on massive amounts of real-time data, all right? And all I can say so far is that the world is just not ready for the power this new set of technologies have. That's the best way I can explain it, guys. I'm currently going down the rabbit hole, testing all the systems and making sure that all the trades I am seeing are in fact real, and that my returns can actually be taken out of the trading account. So far, it looks like that is the case. And but I will be sharing more on this on Saturday. Yes, on Saturday during our Degen Forest Canopy Console, I will be sharing a little bit more about this with all of you guys, members of our community first, and then once we have thoroughly tested this inside the community, we may bring it also out to everybody that watches and listens to our show every morning, whether it's on YouTube, on Facebook, on Kick, or LinkedIn. But for now, I want to, I'm going personally down the rabbit hole, testing and tweaking, making sure that these new AI systems are in fact, what they ought to be. And if they are, then I will be sharing that hopefully next Saturday with all of you guys. And then after that, if there is a need or if the community thinks that this is so good that we should also be sharing it out with the public, then we'll also do that. I hope that I'm making sense. So make sure that you don't miss next Saturday Canopy Console if you want to know what is all this about and how these new AI systems can help you. Because, I gotta be honest, in my opinion, there will be a small window of opportunity. That's the best way I can explain. When you think about AI, when you think about everything that you see around AI and all the empowerment that brings to us as humans, there will be a small window of opportunity before, this is before the masses catch up, before there is this massive flush of adoption, all right? And maybe this will last this will be, maybe for the next 1 year to 2 years. I'm expecting, for the next 1 year to 2 years, there will be this small window of opportunity of only 2 years. When you think about in the grand scheme of life and things, 2 years is nothing, and this is the in the middle period before technology as powerful as AI is truly mass adopted. Understand this, because if you understand this, you follow the breadcrumbs and you follow the trail and you take advantage of these opportunities, you can quite literally, possibly change your life. But you need to be on top of the horse, making shit happen and taking advantage of the opportunities that present themselves during this small period of time that I think will last for about 1 to 2 years, because we're gonna have that window before the masses catch up. And when the fields get, when the masses catch up and everybody's using a powerful AI to trade the crypto, then the field will level again, right? Now those who adopt these cutting edge technologies at the beginning, and most of them, I gotta be honest, are not gonna come out publicly. The best of those will be remaining private, like the one that I am playing with. This is private in-house technology that I don't think will see the light of the public sphere in the way you think. They are launching a Web2 company around the AI, because it's an AI company that trades in the financial markets. It's not the same to say that it's a decentralized or it's not a Web3 project. The fact that a company delves into cryptocurrency doesn't make it a Web3 company, right? So there has to be those differences has to be made. But nonetheless, these experts and AI teams that are working in creating algorithms who can actually trade these markets efficiently using real-time data. Those who get access to these technologies will have an edge over the rest, over that small window of opportunity, because I will expect that within 1 year or two, because this is going to be a rapid accelerated adoption type technology, within 1 year or two, everybody will be using some sort of AI to trade. Just think about it, guys. This is just simple. Think right now when it comes to text, when it comes to content creation, every single content creation tool that exists right now has already integrated ChatGPT. Think about it. Everybody already, everything that has to do with content creation, content curation, content, everything, it's a rapid shift of adoption. If you adopted ChatGPT last year, by the end of last year, right? To use it within your content creation, you had an edge over the rest because nobody was using ChatGPT to aid with content creation. So your content was pristine. Your content always looked better. If you were a content creator, you were actually getting paid more for your content at the end of last year, beginning of this one. But then, since now the cat is out of the bag and everybody knows about ChatGPT, and every single tool, Canva, Aweber, GetResponse, Zapier, literally every single major software as a service provider or SaaS has already integrated ChatGPT. What do you think is going to happen once the ChatGPT version, because it's the same technology, but but now you're not feeding text data, you're feeding financial data, and you gotta feed big amounts. You also have to feed all the historical data, all the way back to the beginning of time, and then that AI, just like ChatGPT does, is able to analyze all the financial data, plus all the real-time data, plus all the news data, plus literally all the data. Think about all the data as an entropy. Those of you that understand entropy, all the data, and an AI that is, but then with a focus on financial and how the data affects every financial stock or crypto, and then making decisions based on that. That's what we're talking about here. That is the next evolution of AIs. That is already in the building. I will also argue that's already out and working, but it's private because I just started testing one yesterday. And wow, this looks amazing. So with that said, I'm gonna let you know on Saturday, because I am going down the rabbit hole. I need to find out everybody who's behind it, the people. There's a lot of questions in my mind, because this is a Web2 company, not a Web3 company, and it has to be researched differently. Nonetheless, if you are a member of our community, a Degen Ape, you will know more about this on Saturday. Until then, I will continue to dedicate myself into the development of the Degen wallet. Our team and I are finalizing the Degen Vault integration of our wallet. You will love this, because hardware wallet security is a must. It's a check-ins and a savings approach. We are a true Web3 bank, and you will see it working. Because we're standing on the precipice of a digital revolution, guys. And it's all happening right here, right into your pockets. But I don't want to move forward without first giving a big shout out to all our reply guys out there. I see you. I saw the great Matty Boy, Krimeric, the great Victor, Joshua. What's going on, everybody? I see Sammy. I see Misao. I see Juicy. What's going on, my man? Glad to see you around. Smart Edward, Larry, Davidson, Johnny, Paul, Detect Guy. I also see Airdrop Hunter, Danny NFT, and if I miss anybody, I apologize. I keep scrolling up, but you guys are hyped up today so much. Thank you for all your comments. Thank you for all your engagement. I want you to rest assured that none of your likes, none of your retweets, none of your comments, nothing goes to waste, because after the next Bitcoin halving, which we're going to be talking about in a minute about it, there is an airdrop coming, and all your likes, all your retweets, all your engagement, everything counts towards that airdrop. So keep the engagement coming. And let's make some magic together now, in case you miss news. The next Bitcoin halving event is less than 9 months away. And the consensus opinion among analysts and investors is that the halving will send the Bitcoin price to a new all-time high, or even above $100,000. Despite this belief, the absence of fresh inflow in the crypto market, the current macroeconomic headwinds, and the Bitcoin recent price action sits below $30,000 do not inspire much confidence in the theory in the short term. But in a recent interview with Paul Barron, Hot 8 Vice President Sue Ennis shared her thoughts on how the Bitcoin price will rise above $100,000 in the next year, and how the upcoming halving will impact Bitcoin miners. Hot 8 currently has a balance of 9,152 BTC in reserve, of which 305 is unencumbered, meaning, are underwater. The company installed ASIC hash rate capacity sits at 2.6 exahashes. That's pretty good per second. I used to have 1.2 petahashes, but they got exahashes. Damn. And Hot 8 mined 44.6 BTC. In July, in the interview, Barron inquired whether the rise in difficulty for miners could induce a fresh wave of sell pressure against Bitcoin. Citing data from hash rate index, Barron observed the spikes in Bitcoin difficulty were followed by drops in the Bitcoin price. The Bitcoin price difficulty and difficulty adjustment, it's something that affects the offer demand, because the miners need to offset the cost of operations for the electricity. Barron questioned if miners were selling Bitcoin as a result of the upcoming halving, creating a need for more efficient ASICs, and whether BTC's pre and post halving price action will not be as bullish as investors expected. But according to Ennis, there's a lot of really unprecedented dynamics that are happening now in the mining space. What's interesting is that hash rates continues to come online despite price trading in a certain band. We're still seeing hash rate increase, she says. And he's elaborated with that what's changed now is that we're seeing Bitcoin price come down a little, but hash rate continues to go up. I think what's really exciting and different is that we're seeing a tremendous amount of new entrants into the global Bitcoin network. Ennis referenced 6 gigawatts of nuclear and renewable energy being generated in the Middle East, and with the region's government exploring Bitcoin mining as an option, more hash rate is coming online in a way that is somewhat price agnostic. This is drastically different from how publicly traded United States-based or more forward-facing miners operate. In order to stay afloat after the halving, Ennis suggested that miners need to be in a position to avoid being single-threaded. They need more than one way to earning revenue beyond just mining Bitcoin. Revenue diversification will include exploring various artificial intelligence applications, dedicating some warehouse rack space to GPUs for companies specializing in AI training, and possibly offering industrial-level ASIC repair services, or even anticipating in-demand response initiative with large energy producers and distributors. Higher prices are programmed thanks to the halving and eventual BTC ETF. Crypto investors have waited for years for the launch of a spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund, and even with the recent influx of applications and approvals by the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, that remains elusive. Despite the history of delays and denials, Ennis said that a spot ETF coming into the market, that's incredibly bullish for the asset class, but she also cautioned that the approval could create sell pressure on minor equities, given that the mining stocks have often been used as a proxy for investment on Bitcoin, and that's true. Regarding the percentage chance, the spot ETF approval by the end of 2023, she said that definitely better than 50. The real reason, and we gotta be looking in a couple days, September 2, by the way, guys. There is a big date coming in just a few days where the SEC may approve or delay some of these approval, but she says that definitely the odds are better than 50-50, because the real reason for, in my opinion, on that is that BlackRock threw its hat in the ring. BlackRock being powerful and the largest asset manager in the world, for them to throw their hat in the ring and say that this is what they want, and the amount of clout they had in markets in past initiative has been tremendous. So I think for them to make this call, that is a real bullish signal. She added, regarding the potential target for the Bitcoin price, and it said, I definitely do think we could see in this next cycle $100,000 per Bitcoin, and that is based on if the BTC were to capture even just 2%. Think about it, just 2 to 5% of the gold's 13 trillion placed in institutional portfolios. If Bitcoin were to capture even 2 to 3% of gold's market cap, that will be incredibly bullish to the price and push it north of $100,000. So we will definitely be watching closely. But now, before I move forward, I have one simple question for everybody in attendance today.
Can I be your friend?
In the heart of the vast digital expanse, I need to unmute myself, there lies a forest, ancient and untamed. With its depths, the mighty ape, a symbol of raw power and primal instinct, roams free. Just as the ape thrives amidst the towering trees and the whispering winds, so too can you find a place in the boundless realm of Web3. Imagine for a moment the ape's journey. Each day it faces challenges, from the smallest insect to the fiercest predator, yet it does not falter. It does not flee. It stands tall, drawing strength from its inner beast, embracing the challenges and turning them into opportunities. The ape knows that every challenge faced is a step closer to mastery, to becoming the true king of his domain. You too have that inner beast, a force of nature waiting to be unleashed. Is that burning passion, that insatiable curiosity, that relentless drive that pushes you to explore, innovate, and create. The world of Web3 is vast, filled with endless possibilities and untapped potential. But it's not for the faint of heart. It demands resilience, adaptability, and a hunger to learn and grow. Remember, even the mightiest ape was once a youngling, uncertain and untested. It took time, experience, and the wisdom of the forest to mold it into the force that it is today. So don't be disheartened by the challenges in your face. Embrace them. Learn from them. Let them fuel your journey, guiding you to new heights and new horizons. And if the path ever seems too daunting, if the shadows of doubt ever cloud your vision, know that you are not alone. Join us in our Web3 community, the Degen Forest. Here, amidst the fellow pioneers and visionaries, you'll find a sanctuary, a place where you can share, learn, and grow. A heaven where you can harness the power of your inner beast and let it guide you through the intricate maze of this new digital frontier. Let the spirit of the ape inspire you. Let its strength, resilience, and wisdom be your guiding light. Dive deep into the forest of Web3. Find your inner beast and let it lead you to greatness. For in this digital age, it's not about surviving. It's about thriving. And together, as a community, as a force united by passion and purpose, we will shape the future and leave a legacy that will echo through the ages.
Where the Degens at? From the bull to the bear, the warriors are there. Is that you? Where the Degens at? Had to start at the bottom. From the bull to the bear, both beasts out and bottom. If you want them, don't flaunt them, cause seasons change into autumn. Feed by the NFTs, if you can name it, I got them. The market's dried out, but you can't get rid of me, you will find out. We see the fake liquidity, we just vibe out. Twitter spaces, synergy, bull markets coming back, blast off to infinity. It just matters what I do, it don't matter what they did to me. Racking up these coins, I'ma stack them individually. Building in the bear, I know all the ways are sick of me. Workshop, they talk, but they can't fade the epitome. Are you against us, or are you for us? The pressure in the bear market, yeah, it forged us. I'm talking traits on traits, I'm talking gas or fate. I'm talking rugs and weights, it's gonna be hard to ignore us. Are you a hustler? Are you a grinder? Are you an underdog, a degen, a survivor? Are you a hustler? Are you a grinder? Are you still building in the bear? I wanna find you. Are you a hustler? Are you a grinder? Are you an underdog, a degen, a survivor? Are you a hustler? Are you a grinder? Are you still building in the bear? I wanna find you. Where the Degens at? Had to start at the bottom. From the bull to the bear, both beasts out and bottom. If you want them, don't flaunt them, cause seasons change into autumn. Feed by the NFTs, if you can name it, I got them. The market's dried out,
But you can't get rid of me. We see the fake liquidity.
Just vibe out. Twitter spaces, synergy, bull markets coming back, blast off to infinity. I refuse to lose with the chip stack against me.
Gonna make it to the top no matter how long it takes me.
All my IRL friends
Start to think that I'm crazy.
I keep earning and learning, cause all these failures done raised me. Been racked, been rugged, but it don't never faze me. Cause I keep coming back stronger, ain't ever lazy. Same ones used to hate me, same one that praised me.
I'm a crypto, digital pushing the daisies.
Are you a hustler? Are you a grinder? Are you an underdog, a degen, a survivor? Are you a hustler? Are you a grinder? Are you still building in the bear? I wanna find you. Are you a hustler? Are you slugger, Degen a survivor? Are you a hustler? Are you a grinder? Are you still building in the bear? I wanna find you. Where the Degens at? Had to start at the bottom. From the bull to the bear, both beasts out and bottom. If you want them, don't flaunt them, cause seasons change into autumn. Buy the NFTs, if you can name it, I got them. The market's dried out, but you can't get rid of me, you gon' find out. We see the fake liquidity, we just vibe out. Twitter space is synergy, bull market's coming back, blast off to infinity. Dan the Lost Boy.